On your screens, the starters for Zeus Coffee, and we are seeing, as we mentioned earlier, both teams looking for their first wins. Actually, next leg trying to also get a win against a team who's looking for their first win in the entire franchise, and that's Zeus Coffee.
That's right.
And quick action here for the first point. Troncoso, ball back to Zeus. Back row attack, Jov picked up. And Jov with defense. Mahaba agad!
Yes!
First point to be scored by Lucille Almonte for next leg. Led is scoring consecutive points. Jov Gonzaga, there you go, lefty for lefty.
Yeah.
Talked about how she had 21 points in her first game in this conference. And Thea Gagate, and that is what Zeus needs to really exploit.
Yeah.
Ebon will go up, smart play, Gagate picked it up.
Oh! That was Gagate again with that kill block.
Talaga tayo dito. Tatlo yung pinakamalaking lamang, no, na nakita natin. Gagate, picked up by Ebon.
Soft spike. Oh, good defense.
Yes. And look at Thea Gagate all alone in the middle. That's 3 for Thea.
That's right. Good serve again.
And look at Jov Gonzaga taking care of business for Zeus, getting the ball back. 5 chances here for next leg. Running attack. And look at Krish Makaslang. You know, I think she deserves the game point because Krish has been a beast to Zeus Coffee. An error again. We're talking about the errors, and that is an unforced error by Krish Makaslang. Now from the other side, still to Permentilla. Takes care of that one. And it's called inside. Coach Atori is not happy about that call. First tactical timeout, Gagate with 5 points today. Running attack.
Oh.
Pantay naman ni Arroyo.
Yeah. Ang ganda ng one-on-one block na yon ni Arroyo.
7 points for Lucille Almonte today. And that running attack, you know, this seems to be the specialty of the house. Ito yung talagang... We've seen the 3 setters already on display here for next leg.
Good check and a good defense.
Oh!
Oh!
Medyo lumagpas.
Yeah.
And...
Malayo. Kay...
Laki na ng lamang ng Zeus kanina. We saw a 6-point lead by Zeus Coffee. Good rebound. Rally going.
Yeah.
And Gagate puts an end to it.
So this is a strong front line for Zeus Coffee.
Ball. Another chance here. Next set will regroup. Nabantayan si Permentilla. One more time for Kiara. Good pick up there by Angeles. Troncoso from the back. Another rally brewing. Oh, look at Gagate. Just the presence of mind for Thea, and that gets her to easily 25-19.
Oh!
Oh, lalim. Bao
Yeah.
naman yun.
Iniwas ni Jov yung attack niya sa kanyang blocker. Not a good first ball. Oh!
Pasok ba? And Permentilla was quiet for a little bit, or medyo di mo natuturo yon, but it's the skill that Thea Gagate comes in with. And a service ace to start off this third set, si Lucille Almonte. Running attack, and that is why she asks for that slide attack kasi pagka gumagana, ang ganda talaga.
Habulin nitong next leg. So Zeus Coffee needs to take care of yung mga lamang nila.
Oh, that reverse. Atienza with a quick point. And look at those numbers for Jovelyn Gonzaga. May black point pa siya. At hindi pa natin nakita doon yung digs niya. 10 na rin.
Oh, wow.
Permentilla is stopped.
Free ball.
Oh, that one worked this time. Nakabawi.
Oh, too low, but
Oh.
still.
Pasok pa rin. Ivy Perez almost there. Good read by Zeus Almonte. Good rebound. Zeus will go again. Gonzaga from the right pin. And she is dangerous from that point.
Yeah, so far again, back in the court, subbing in for Ivy Perez.
Difficult serve. Almonte pushes the ball over. Where will Mondoñedo go? And double block. Next lead.
And as much as possible, huwag sila makakuha ng mga service errors. Talking about next leg kasi sila yung humahabol sa point.
Chance here for the Chameleons. Permentilla again. And she is stopped. Mondoñedo saving the day.
Free
Another
ball.
chance.
Oh,
Oh, ang gandang bantay din. That reverse, basa. The serve in, that is what Chiara Permentilla needs to do. That's safe. Jov with the receive. The Gagate with the kill. And that is set 2 for Zeus Coffee.
yeah, that was a good first ball. And sakto kay Cloan. And of course, when Thea Gagate their opponents, medyo mabagal yung kanilang floor defense.
And Mongalabnan is back on the court as a setter. And the violation is...
And maganda din yung pinoint ni Coach Itori doon na hindi mo kailangan na sobrang gandang laro. As long as gumalaw lang kayo na maayos as a team and basahin nyo yung mga attackers ng kalaban, makakapwesto kayo na maayos.
Road ahead for next lead. Medyo lopsided itong set 4. Ang bilis.
Yeah. Quick side out for Zeus Coffee. And
Emma G with a quick one.
Oh!
Thick ball.
Yeah.
Gamet happy about that one. Choncoso keeps it alive. Gonzaga from back row with a tip. Great read by Ebon. Almonte, cross. Chini, cross. Yun, ang lumapag.
Grabe yung...
9-point lead still. Zeus Coffee already at 16 points. Combination attack. May usok pa yun.
Yeah. That was blocked.
Luna is blocked. Good cover by her.
Oh,
Thea Gagate feeling it. Ganado rin si Thea.
12 points for Zeus Coffee.
Good first ball. Luna pushing the ball in.
Oh, Jov
Habol na naman ni
Gonzaga.
Jov. Nagpaparamay din si Jov ng defense ng digs eh. Luna is blocked. Solid. Oh, may block point pa ngayon si Jov.
Siya pa yun nakakuha. Gail Pascual for Zeus Thunderbells.
Makaslang. Picked up. Good libero action. And that quick play, Thea Gagate.
Oh, combination play.
Nervina plays setter. Good pickup by Chai. Yandok giving it to Tapia again. Another chance here for next lead. Luna! Tumitiklo pa si Luna sa ere. I got the serve specialist Dolly Versosa in to maybe serve. Point of the match. Wala pa. Let's see. It's still match point. Nice push. And Pascual will be credited for the winning point. But it was really the team effort of Zeus Coffee.
Yeah.